on my way to buy another car with the boy E. It just snowed. We're in the rape van. Hit up my boy now. Woo! This shit's nice, yo. Yeah, I never had nothing this nice. Except for my fucking race car. That thing's a piece of shit. Got the new garage kind of set up. As you can see right now, it's a complete mess. Got the EG hatchback in here. Got a couple D16s. Or a D15. Got a D16. Got the H22A. Got the compressor back in. Got everything in. So now, just gotta empty out this bad boy because it's full of crap. You know what I mean? So, empty that out. We're gonna arrange it on the racks up there. And then get everything organized. Go clean out the Civic because I think this bad boy might be up for sale. Found this little Civic. It's fucking roached. Doesn't have anything that I need. On to the next. A little boost gauge on the first gen. Does this thing have a turbo? The hell? Alright, today we're gonna tackle this EG. First thing we noticed is there was fuel coming out of the exhaust manifold, so that indicates that one of the injectors might be stuck, which indicates why it might be running like crap. So I'm gonna take the injectors off of this other engine that I have right here before I try pulling the motor or anything like that. These injectors, bada bing, bada boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as this. One, two, three, 4. So we got a baffling one. So it had these okay, so first and foremost, we got raw fuel coming out of the exhaust mani, okay? So first thing I did was injectors. Is one stuck. Guy put brand new injectors. Guy pretty much went through it. Brand new fuel filter, brand new injectors. So okay, I just changed out these injectors from the other D series, but these injectors are brand new. I mean, look at that. Okay, so cool. Took out the spark plugs. This one was wet. This one was wet. Dried them off. Put them back in. You know, checked. You know, all these connections. Also, came in here and I put the ECU from that other D series. Because one thing I noticed when I don't know if that's how these are or what, but when I was giving it gas right here, like I fired it up and I was giving it some gas, it had a rev limiter. So I don't know if that's, I definitely don't think that's stock. So got in here. Look at this thing, guys. A Alpine compact disc changer. Oh damn, thing's missing. That's kind of sick though. Got the interior kind of cleaned up. Right now what I'm doing is this window is busted out, so it's gotta get up in there. Where is it? Change that bolt, change another one, put that piece of glass in it. Kind of. Alright, my boy Sid showed up, got this window in, got the tint all removed off of it. What a bitch. To get that bitch in the tracks, but We got it all silicone sprayed. I removed all the previous tint. Got that interior nice and clean, kinda. So tomorrow, well, what do you think of these fenders? Look at their fiberglass. Yeah. Seriously.
Yeah, seriously. I'll just clean them up, throw them back on.
Fiberglass fenders, paint them black. I left this thing overnight. Still hasn't popped, so now I'm gonna remove this and try and get to it and get that sucker out of there. Same on the other side. I haven't really messed with this side yet, but I'm sure it's not any different. This thing's got the old screws, so I just doused them. Hopefully they come out. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm sure, as most of you know, those screws and these rotors are so tight in there. So first and foremost, obviously you want to spray it with liquid wrench, and then this is the setup you want to have. The fattest Phillips go into a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch socket to a adapter to 1/2 inch on the impact, and it works amazingly. Boom. And that was rusted in there to hell. So, quick tip. There it is. Yeah.
But a small amount. Yeah. Yeah, I think the whole idea is to make sure for people
all right, y'all. Got the thing set up. Got all the torque mounts off. She's disconnected in the back. Got this bad boy mounted up right there. Starter bolt. She's about to come out. This engine is out. Now time to clean up the engine bay. Wipe it down, spray it down. I was just putting the door panel back on. Got the glass in. Got the carpet cleaned out. This fool. This is just play. Look. Alright, boys and girls. She's painted. It's all black. Nice and flat black. So now I just got to put the engine in it.
Don't be afraid to get dirty.
Got that Emilio's World going. All right, we got this engine over here. Got the engine hoist thing set up. We're gonna pull it up. We're gonna push it in there. Got the thing. Let's do it. it's another day. We got the engine in, radiator in, everything's plugged in. First.
Look like shitty P15 to me.
Right. Not bad though, huh?
Black looks good.
Look better, huh? Car is sanded down for the most part. Got all the major shit. Try not to touch anything, but I just took a shower. Yeah, got all that. I gotta go find a bumper tomorrow and then sand it down and then tape this thing down, paint it, clear it. I have to actually order clear, and then it's gonna be a sweet little car.
Hi, babies! Hi, sweet girl. What are you doing, huh? Look at that little tail wag. Oh my goodness.
Damn!
Damn!
My boy City's new truck. Got that warm seat, can you see it? Okay. Damn. Out here at the junkyardy with Seidel.
Huh?
Hey! Snowing. Hustling. Hustling. This is why I loved Colorado. You got the fucking Mexican. The paisas out here cooking.
Tenemos birria, quichos antojitos,
Sick. Woo, got the 7Ks.
Disclaimer, we have the strut.
My boy with the double stress.
Yeah.
Keep talking.
Clear tail lights, baby. Cost
Yeah,
more than
those
the whole car, doggy.
He said, fuck my.
Those are fire.
Yeah, look at the exhaust, bro. Brand new. Brand new, bro. You get down there for you. Or what?
What are those?
My grandmama got me them.
Is this the engine I installed? Damn, we're twins. We have the same engine. Is it B8?
Is it V8?
B8?
No, I'm A6.
Oh yeah, I do 16A6. 16, huh?
D16
This isn't what we got.
It's the SI engine.
Yeah, what I'm doing next, I'm gonna get the pipe to go from right here to my intake, all the way right there.
Why don't you get it running?
It runs. I can start it right now and drive it.
Well, go drive it then. Why haven't you?
I gotta put
it?
those on.
What are those?
For the steering, because it's
Okay,
so
so
fucking
then
loud.
it's broken. Junk.
I think I can start it up for y'all.
No, I installed the engine. I know it runs.
No, you did not.
Okay, sir.
This guy left the starter bolt not even on.
What are you talking about?
Starter bolt was non-existent.
That's not my fault.
Is that my? Yo, you said I installed it.
My name is Dougie.
Just don't lick my lens, sir, please. Dude, my shit fires up quicker than this hunk of shit. What the fuck is that? Sounds like, what time is it? TikTok, TikTok. Calm down, Captain Hook.
Captain Hook, I hate this man. Clap your hands. I don't hear any clapping.
Come on, bitch. Hold on, let me tune it. Hold on, let me tune it. Oh wait, that's a fucking hose clamp. Brother, I think it needs new gas. It needs fresh gas, brother. Wait, stop.
That's the part I'm
Oh,
going.
I was about to let
We
the
gotta
drop.
do the timing on this stuff. The dizzy.
Damn, that thing got a heavy? Jeez.
Tie rods are bad.
Yo, keep this hunk of shit running.
Just joshing.
It's got a system though.
That's better than the Privia.
Rev it up. Never mind. I'm just kidding.
But Revan, give it a second to warm up.
Hey.